Want a powerful VPS at a lower cost? In this video, I'll show you how to connect Hetzner Cloud to CloudRaptor and launch your server in just a few minutes. Hetzner Cloud is a high-performance VPS provider known for its affordability and strong European infrastructure. With CloudRaptor, you can automate everything, from server creation to security setup, without manual configuration. Hetzner is a great choice if you want cost-efficient production servers, high-performance workloads, or European-based deployments. It offers dedicated vCPUs, NVMe SSD storage, flexible scaling, and powerful networking features. First, log into your Hetzner Cloud console. Go to Security, API Tokens, then click Generate API Token. Make sure to enable read and write permissions, then copy and save your API token securely. This allows CloudRaptor to manage your servers automatically. Now go to your CloudRaptor dashboard. Navigate to Settings, Credentials, and click Add Credentials. Select Hetzner as the provider. Then enter a label for your credentials, your API token, and your default location. Click Save and your credentials will be securely stored. Next, go to Servers, Create Server. Choose Hetzner as your provider. Now configure your server. Select a data center location. Choose your instance type, CPU and RAM, set storage, and give your server a name. Then select your saved credentials and click Launch Server. CloudRaptor will handle everything automatically. It will provision your VPS, configure networking and firewall rules, set up secure SSH access, install the CloudRaptor agent, and optimize your system for deployment. This usually takes just a few minutes. Once done, your server will appear as active in the dashboard, fully secured, and ready for deploying your applications. And that's how you connect Hetzner VPS with CloudRaptor. If you need help, contact support at support@cloudraptor.io. And if this helped, check out more CloudRaptor tutorials in the description. I'll see you in the next one.